Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this short video I'm going to show you how to remove iOS 14.5 beta 4 profile from iPhone and iPad. And if you want to install iOS 14.5 beta 4, then check the link in description. Now we are going to remove the profile. To remove profile, first go to settings and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Then tap General and tap Software Update. iOS 14.5 Public Beta 4 ready to download. Now we are going to remove. Go back to Settings and tap General. Under General, tap on Profile and Device Management. Here, scroll down and tap iOS 14 and iPad OS 14 beta software. Now tap Remove Profile. iPhone passcode. Tap again Remove. If you want to restart, tap Restart. If you don't want to restart, tap Not Now. Now we are going to check. Tap General, tap Software Update. And your software is up to date and there is no beta profile. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.